If you know anything about that game, you know that there's so much to do. Hey, in this video we are getting into my 4 tips on creating more productive days. So first things first, we're starting with our energy. Start with a little protein cafecito. See how it tastes. I wish I had more milk. It's just not as creamy as regular milk, but it's also oat milk, so it has a little bit of like that taste of the creaminess to it, but it doesn't, it's not the same. I give this one maybe like a 3 out of 10. I don't know. But cheers. So while we drink the protein coffee, I'm gonna get started in the office because right now it's atrocious. It's really just reorganizing the desk and where I sit mostly. I have a whole new setup in my office and I freaking love it so much because I've been getting into gaming again. I've been playing Hogwarts Legacy and Bratz just like here and there. I've only been playing those two these past few, like a week already that I've been consistently playing on Hogwarts. I'm already on like level 17, but I'm trying to like work through that game because if you know anything about that game, you know that there's so much to do. Like you can't finish that game quickly, which is what I really like because it kind of gives you like the storyline of everything. It's really cool. Like I just put on my cozy autumn fall vibes playlist on like Spotify and then I'll just play through the game with that playing in the background and it's literally the most amazing I've ever done. I'm so happy I finally got back into gaming because I had like a little phase where I was not playing. Let's get into this office reorganization before I start procrastinating because if you're anything like me, girl, get distracted easily. So let's go put these squirrels to use right now. I completely forgot that I had these adhesive wall hooks and I've been wanting to find a spot to hang my bag. Let me just peel this piece off. My phone could be a major black hole, and that's where the Pomodoro technique comes in. I learned this from the book Extra Focus, and I just set a timer for 25 minutes, focus on a single task like reorganizing my desk, the seating area, then taking a short 5-minute break in between. This helps so much with staying laser focused and avoid endless scrolling because I struggle with that so much. I found that taking mini cleaning breaks throughout my day actually helps me stay productive. Are officially done. It looks so much better. Less of a chaos here, less of a chaos, and I can actually get some work done here. Let's take a cute view. Look at my plants. They are literally thriving. Money tree is getting so big, I'm gonna have to switch out the pot soon. These, there hasn't been any new baby sprouting from the pot, so I'm just letting them get big and fluffy. Oh my god. Here we have this baby that was in my kitchen, but it was dying, so I just cleaned her up and started watering her. She's getting dry again. Just misting her so that she stays hydrated. And then this is the one I got in San Pedro. It's getting so big I have to put more water in that, but my plants are thriving. They look so good. While I sip on my cafecito, I like to grab my fitness planner and map out my week. Plus, there's something super satisfying about checking things off my to-do list, big or small. In the middle of editing this video, is it just me or summertime all I want to watch is like scary, not scary movies, but like spooky time, Halloween time movies? Am I the only one that's like that? Because I love like spooky days. I love like October vibes, fall, all that stuff. That's all me. I'm gonna get some work done. I have to have something playing, or I have to have like a podcast or something. But right now, these days, all I've been wanting is like scary movies, like Halloween time movies. Am I the only one? Am I the only one? Can y'all let me know please in the comments? Staying fueled is key when taking on mini reset days. I love prepping healthy snacks in advance. Think chopped veggies, protein smoothies, and quick bites so I can grab and go. At the moment, I had a watermelon to cut up and some grapes that my mom dropped off, so we're gonna snack on those. Scrumptious. Put these in the fridge so that they get nice and cold.
Oh no! You're so sweet.
We're good. One of my biggest goals this year is to drink my water intake daily, because I've been struggling to do that because coffee just loves to replace that. But staying on top of my water intake is a must, especially during these hot summer months. So I'm gonna be so unbothered for all these clips with me walking around with my giant water bottle. And guess what? Watermelon is also a delicious way to stay hydrated. So get your dose of fruit as well. So there you have it, my 4 tips on creating more productive days. Remember, everyone's journey is different, and the key is just to find what works best for you. What are some of your productivity tips and tricks? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more fitness, lifestyle, and behind the scenes content. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.